What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can turn off read receipt on your Instagram app. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do first, you have to go to your Instagram account, open up your Instagram account, then you have to go to your profile. So to do so, you have to click on your three dot bar icon in the top right corner. To off this read receipt, you have to make sure you watch the full video so that you can turn off your read receipt on your Instagram, so that if you read your anyone's message, they cannot see that when you have read the message. So after opening the settings and activity, you have to go to on message and story replies. You have to click on this option. After scrolling down, after doing so, you can see here is an option called show read receipt. You have to click on this option. Then you can see this option is turned on. Others can see when you have read their messages. So after turning this off, you have to click on this option to turn it off. Then you're ready to go. Now you can read anyone's message, and they will not see that when you have read the message. So this is how you can turn off and turn on read received message on your Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.